really delighted to be back in my homeland in Edinburgh. The connection between science and government and policy is so important for the growth of the economy in Scotland, in the UK and globally. Science has got a really important role to play. For me, chemistry is at the heart of that, but of course the connection between chemistry and the other sciences and the other disciplines is vital. We need to work together to tackle the challenges that we face.
No problem and no grand challenge can be addressed by one discipline alone or by one sector alone. So I think the way that the RSC assembled a diverse panel was excellent, because it allowed those different sectoral perspectives to address their own issues, but also the questions that came from the floor.
Many politicians will not know the breadth and the depth of the work that's happening in Scotland, in our universities, in our research areas, and innovation companies which are contributing so much to our economy. So it's very important that we understand the potential and that we can then tell our constituents about it, particularly young people, to encourage them into careers in science.
One of the key components is that entrepreneurial mindset. It's that entrepreneurial talent. It's the people that can make things happen. You know, you can have the best ideas in the world, but unless someone is going to execute them and make them happen and bring them to the fore, they're always just going to be ideas. And I think, again, you know, the public sector, the private sector, the third sector, and universities in particular have a big role to play to ensure that we connect that innovation, that research with those commercial champions, those entrepreneurs that are going to make it happen and bring it to life and have a positive impact.
We must connect with the politicians, with the MSPs, and persuade them of our messages and help them to put that into practice and make sure that we support and grow the economy and develop the solutions for the future.
I think it just had a real broad range of topics coming up and speakers and great questions coming from the audience. It's just so good to be back together again after a couple of years doing this online, and yeah, just a fantastic day. Can't wait to do it again next year.